The Ordinary Caffeine Solution 5% plus EGCG eye serum is an eye serum used for both eye puffiness and dark circles under the eye. It has a lightweight texture that absorbs quickly into the skin, and I wanted to talk about what exactly is in it that helps with puffiness and dark circles. Who is it best for and how to use it for the best results? So stay with me till the end. And real quick guys, before we get started, it would mean the world to me if you hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm and turn the bell on next to it to stay up to date with new weekly videos. The Ordinary has got to be a pioneer for skincare minimalism. They have a less is more approach. There really is no glam packaging or a laundry list of ingredients or even eye-popping prices. You can pick up this serum currently for about 24 bucks or less, but most importantly, it incorporates research-backed ingredients which we will look at, starting with the first one, the 5% caffeine. Now, I've already made a video on eye puffiness which has gone over 1.5 million views, which I encourage you to watch after this one. The idea of adding caffeine in this serum comes from this paper on infraorbital dark circles, which mentioned topical caffeine is an effective means of treating infraorbital dark circles when applied topically. It can be an asset in treating dark circles that result from subcutaneous vascularization, telangiectasis, and edema from leaky vessels. And that's really because of two reasons. Caffeine is a natural vasoconstrictor, meaning it can constrict blood vessels. So applied topically, it can safely reduce the diameter of the blood vessels around the eyes, decreasing blood flow to the area. And it's this constriction which can help minimize swelling and puffiness. Secondly, it has anti-inflammatory properties which can lower the inflammation and redness associated with puffy eyes. And when you do that, it can contribute to a smoother and less swollen appearance around the eyes. Secondly, they're using what's called EGCG, which is your epigallocatechin gallate glucoside, which is another star ingredient. This one is going to tackle the dark circles in the eye region. So the caffeine will target the puffiness, but it's the EGCG that will target the darkness. From the literature, these results show that EGCG regulates melanin pigmentation and might be used as a whitening ingredient in cosmetics, which is very interesting. Also, in green tea, you often find it as epigallocatechin 3 gallate, the key antioxidant, right? This serum actually takes it a step beyond and contains the glucoside version of the antioxidants. Now, why on earth would they change the structure? Why not leave it as is? Well, the only difference is that the serum is upgraded with the glucoside group to make it more stable so it can last longer on your skin. Well thought of. Now that we know the ingredients have some evidence behind their use, let's talk about the actual serum for a little bit. Let's talk about what it doesn't have. There's no alcohol, oil, fragrances, silicones, and is also cruelty-free, which is awesome and in my opinion, very clean. It comes in a small dark bottle with a dropper applicator, which I would drop directly on the skin and not on the hands first. It's a water-based serum, which means everything about this serum is lightweight, only slightly more viscous than water if you wanted to know how it weighs. Also guys, it does spread easily over the eye area and disappears quickly. But if you drop too much, you will feel it on the skin. The good thing about that is that since it does dry quickly, other products that you use on top of it won't hold up your routine. In other words, it won't slow down your skincare routine. Because I know we all value our time and some of us are on a time crunch in the mornings. And in terms of who it's best for, ask yourself a few questions and be honest with yourself. Are your eye puffiness and dark circles due to 1, lipid deposits under the eye contour, 2, hollowness, or 3, leaky blood vessels and fluid buildup? If you answered yes to the first two, lipid deposits and hollowness, then the product won't be as viable. This serum is targeted for dark circles from pigmentation issues that are on the skin and not from orbital shadows from bone features. More so, best for puffiness from vascularity issues and not from lipid pads. That's where it gets tricky. I can make a separate video that goes into the difference in more depth. I just need to read that you guys want that type of video in the comment section below. So please fill up the comment section down below with ideas you want me to discuss, since I value every single one of your opinions, be it good or bad. But now let's talk about how to use it for the best results. The first is you want to use a cleanser to wipe the face off. Watch this video to find out the best cleanser for your skin type. I go over all the skin types and which cleanser works best for each. Then you want to put 2 drops under the eye contour and then massage the serum in the area. For me, it takes about 15 to 20 seconds for it to dry off. Then I would top it off with a Cerave eye repair cream and sunscreen if it's in the morning routine. You can go ahead and use it both in the morning and in your nighttime routine. One thing that I would improve on is that the product sometimes accumulates around the bottleneck, which requires occasional cleanup and sometimes even waste. Actually, I'm more of a fan of those 360-degree massage ball applicators like what Dongyu has. Otherwise, this is a great serum with science-backed ingredients, but you gotta have realistic expectations when you use it, guys. If you're looking for a way to boost effects, then you can look for a night cream with snail mucin and niacinamide, which has proven lightening effects. I'll leave one that I like linked as my affiliate in the description down below. In addition to this serum, you're gonna wanna take on 3 lifestyle changes too that will help you manage dark circles and puffiness even more, because lifestyle matters too. The first is sleep. Lack of sleep can make the dark circles and puffiness around the eyes more visible. Aim for 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep each night to allow your body to repair and rejuvenate. The second is avoid excessive salt intake, which can contribute to fluid retention and make the puffiness more apparent. And the third is drink plenty of water throughout the day to keep your body hydrated and promote fluid balance. But I'm more curious to hear from you guys. If you're here from the previous eye video, drop me a hello in the comments. I love reading your feedback. And in the meantime, subscribe if you found this video helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.